God. Because when we are in harmony with God, we can hear God's talking to us and His communication with us much better. And so that's why we can do what God wants us to do. We also have talked about previously just now in our Sabbath school, in the youth Sabbath school, we talked about the story of Joshua. And Joshua is a great example of obedience because while he walked with Moses during this time when Moses was still alive, he fully relied on Moses for guidance. So God through Moses guides Joshua for his future plans. And so after Moses has died, passed on, the role of the leader of the Israelites is now passed to Joshua. And Joshua here has to put on this role of leadership to guide and lead the people of Israel. And